Welcome to part 2, and just like we reflected points across the y-axis, we can also do this for lines as well. Because we think about lines, they're just collections of points, many points along the line. And what we do when we reflect lines is we reflect all the points across, which is infinitely many, and we end up with reflecting the whole line across the y-axis the same distance away. So this is 3 units away. So we reflect the whole line 3 units away, and we end up with the line x equals minus 3. So we'll do this for the other lines as well. So we've got x equals minus 7 here on the left side. So we're going to reflect the whole line 7 units across, and we're going to end up with x equals 7 across here. And last one, x equals 10 over the right hand side. We're going to reflect the whole line 10 units across the y-axis. So we get x equals minus 10. And I'll just get rid of these lines so that we can see properly that they've just reflected across the y-axis the same distance, just like the points did. And we'll also do the same thing across the x-axis. So if you want to reflect the line y equals 3, we reflect it downwards across the x-axis, the whole line. So this is 3 units away. So we reflect it 3 units away on the other side, and we get a line just like this, and this is y equals minus 3 instead of positive 3. And we'll do the same thing for y equals minus 5 down here. So we reflect it across the x-axis 5 units away, and we end up with just the positive version. So y equals 5 this time. And one last example up the top, y equals positive 10. We just reflect it downwards across the x-axis this time, the whole line all the way down here, and we get y equals minus 10. Remember to use a ruler for these to make them really neat. So y equals minus 10 instead of positive 10.